Okay, the last part of managing your courses and materials is this calendar. This calendar is going to be your best friend. This calendar is going to show all of the different updates that you want to push out to the kids, all of the different assignments that you want your kids to know, due date wise, test wise. So let's say that I have a test that I want my kids to study for. My kids are just generally bad at remembering when my tests are going to be. So let's say that I want my test to be on the 10th, July 10th. And let's say that it's going to be Unit 1 test. So in here, in this description, I can say what all this is going to be. So everything covered in Unit 1. Okay? You can RSVP it if you would like. You don't have to. I'm probably not going to. I'm going to enable or disable those comments so that the kids cannot comment on that event. And you can also add an end time if you would like. You don't have to. All right, let's go ahead and save those changes. Now, my Unit 1 test is going to be pushed out to my kids in form of an update saying that, hey, on their calendar, when they log on to their Schoology, that Unit 1 test will be there as well. Okay, so let's say that I want to, if my test is on the 10th, let's say on the 8th, I want to give my kids a little gentle reminder. Okay, again, I can disable that RSVP, and I'm going to disable those comments. And now they have a reminder to study that their test is coming up, and if I click on it, it should bring up that update right there in that center portion of my test. Again, using my breadcrumbs, I can go back to my course, and if you want to see what the kids are going to look at, I can still view my course as, and I'm going to select Danielle here, and this is what she would see when she logs into her Schoology for my course. There are my updates. And again, you can use this for groups. You can use this for classes as well.